Are you looking for your first detached home? Behind me is the cutest redone detached home, 1.5 story. And what makes it really cool is that it has a separate in-law suite in the lower level. And upstairs is 2 floors and it has 4 bedrooms. Loads of custom finishes inside. There will be no disappointments. So I invite you to call us at 905-332-2207 for your own personal viewing. This house is not on MLS yet, and you can have your own personal viewing from us. Bonus parking. This has an extra parking spot or 2, depending on the size of your car, as well as a garage. And this is all off the back, so there's plenty of parking. So if you look at it, there's a possibility of 3 to 4 car parking at this property. So it would suit the in-law suite as well as the upper level. So make sure you give us a call to have a look at this beauty. Now, if you have a home to sell and are thinking of, perhaps it's a condo or a condo apartment, we have a guarantee that might work just well for you. And it's our Your Home Sold Guaranteed or We'll Buy It. What does that mean? It allows you to buy this house firm because we will guarantee the sale price on your home. So give us a call for your own private viewing at 905-332-2207. We are the Walsh and Volk team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Real Estate Services. Take care. I'm Alison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinski Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinski. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.